Hello everyone, Edward once again, and I'm just going to have one small topic again to show you. I just got one small question. Somebody asked me how to change a Gmail password, and I thought if I could make a video, then I would help very many people out there. It's very simple for those who are advanced, but it is a little time consuming for those who are beginners, So basically this video is targeting those people who are either advanced but forgot how to do it, or beginners. So you're in the right place. Okay, now what we're going to look at today is how to change or update a Gmail password. I believe so many people out there have a Gmail password. So if I minimize this one down here and I open my browser, I've already opened my account, so I'll just straight go to how to update the Gmail password. But currently on screen is one of our websites. It's called traflight.com. It is a website for booking flights all over the world, hotels, rent a car, and all those transport services across the globe. So if you're looking for cheaper flight tickets, this is the best site to use. Alright, now I have my email already open here, and we are going to see how we change a password for Gmail. But most importantly, let me also show you quickly how to get to this dashboard where you log in and ABCD. I think I'll have to, let me just open incognito window, and I'll try to put, you can say gmail.google.com, I think. No, mail.google.com. I think it will sense this one as well. Yeah, it has sensed this one. So basically, because I'm in UAE or United Arab Emirates, it starts with Arabic, but I can change it here by just clicking down here. So here it requires me to put my username and my password to log in. So this is how it starts. Now for those who see me already logged in, they might wonder, how have I got to that place? Though I'll not cover this in this video, but basically this is how you come to this place. You have www.google.com/gmail. Don't waste your time by catching this URL. Simply go to Google search and say log into Gmail. They will bring the actual interface for you to log in. Alright, now I'm closing this one because it was just wanted to show you how you address, how you get to the Gmail dashboard by putting in their URL, logging in, and then coming to the dashboard where I am right now. In Gmail, there are a lot of lessons which you guys have to pick up, but I pick up those most strong ones which disturb so many. Alright, now just check on the top right of your window, Gmail window, there is a setting icon. Click on settings, it will drop down some other elements in it. Then under these elements we have display density, configure inbox, settings, themes, get add-ons, send feedback. Then you click on send settings. Okay, now when you click on settings, you wait for it to open. Like I told you, it depends on the speed of your internet and maybe how strong your computer is sometimes, because sometimes due to browser updates some stuff tends to be very heavy, but that's not the case today. Alright, now we have under settings here, we have general, labels, inbox, accounts and import, filters, block, forwarding. I'll make videos for all of this, but so far now we are going to look at accounts and import. Now when you click on this one, it drops on this one as well. You see, in future I'll show you how you incorporate other mails under your main Gmail account so that you can read and send mails from there. That is not today's lesson. Our today's lesson is very simple. It's how to change a password. And if you look at the first line after you have clicked on account and import, we have change password, we have change password recovery options, we have other account settings. Currently what we want to look at is change password. Now when you click on this one, Google tends to make a security check, because if you want to change password, then automatically it means you know the current password. I guess I'm not going to be signed in automatically because I already have tools that are doing that. Okay, good. So It means you already have the current password. You cannot just change a password when you don't know the current password, because they'll walk you through that step. You can't miss that step. Now for my case, I know the current password, and what I do, I'll just try to put my password, tap 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 tap. Okay, now if that password is correct, Google will tell me that, okay, I think in the next video I'll also show you this one. This is authentication, double authentication. So normally if somebody is accessing my email on a new PC or anywhere, I get this notification on my phone. So you cannot see here on my phone, but I just click on my phone and I tell it to accept. Okay, I just tell it accept. Yes, it is me. Now you're going to see it is going to log in without touching anywhere. I just approved the security check from my phone. I'll show you how you do that one also to make your account very secure. But today that is not the case. For you who has not yet done this, it will just take you to the password screen the moment you type in the security check which it gave you first. But for my case, because I have double authentication, so it has to check on the phone to see whether I am actually the one. Now here, when you reach here, you type your new password here, and then you type the same password down here to confirm. For the Google system has to compare the two passwords, and then it will say, okay, this is the actual password this person wants. Then once you put that password, you click save or change password, then they will delete the current password and update the new one. And that is all. So from there, you just have to log in with your new password and same username. I won't change mine because my account is attached to so many Google products. If I can just click here, it's attached to, okay, this one is no longer existing. Search, YouTube, Maps, Play, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, My Business, and many more. If I click on this one, Collection, Jamboard, Classroom, Earth, all of these are attached to one password. So I'll not change this one here yet for now, but just know this is the step. If you have any question past this one, you just throw it in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I remain Edward Sevume, CEO Edtech Solutions, attainwork.com, Trafly.com, AfriSale, and so many other products to come. Thank you very much for watching. See you then.